All right. I'll be walking you through today's price action analysis of Bank Nifty using 1 minute candlestick chart. Price opened within yesterday's range, and it was a gap up above a moving average, but bar closed in between with a tail on both the sides. So it's a trading range bar. Bar 2 in an inside bar, so we'll wait for further clues to see what happens. Bar 3, bears try to push the prices down, couldn't manage to do so. Uh, Bar 4, bulls provided the support, and 5 tried to push the prices up. But all this is happening within bar 1's range. So no one is winning at this point of time. So bar 1 and bar 5 are two attempts to go up. Bar 6 and 7, you see bears taking charge. So bulls are not able to go up much. Bar 8 is an attempt by bulls. It's a third attempt, but bar 9 immediately bears took control. So three attempts to go up today. Bar 9 is a bearish bar, and bar 10 basically poked through the trend line, the blue dotted blue trend line that you see here, and it's a bear bar. It couldn't close below the trend line, so we'll see what happens next. Bar 11 is an inside bar, so bulls couldn't take charge after this support here. So it's a bearish bar. We'll see what happens next. Bar 12 is a small bear bar, so bulls are not doing much, and bears are trying to hold the ground. But bar 13, you see a tick, a poke below bar 12 low, and bulls try to push the prices up. Possibly they bought here, but the price failed to close above this bar 12's high. So it's a weakness on both sides, and that's what we need. With the context that bulls made multiple attempts to go up and fail, and now we see this weakness. We go short below bar 12 low with 10 points stop and 30 points target. We'll book full position at 30 points only because there's a possible support around bar 1's low as well as EMA. So we don't want to risk getting stopped out through the pullback. So entry triggers in bar 14, and also the profit is booked in the same bar. So you're out of the first short trade at 30 points positive. And as expected, the price did poked through the EMA, but again retraced back up. Okay, bar 15 is a failed breakout below bar 1's low, so possible trading range behavior, but we do not go long immediately because you see this is a bear channel going on here with hardly any bulls being able to put pressure, no follow throughs for bulls, bears immediately taking control. That's what we see here. So we'll wait for second entry long if any. Bar 16 bears took control, and bar 17 bears got a follow through, a nice strong bar and close below EMA. So bears are stronger at this point of time. Bar 18 bulls try to fail the breakout below EMA, but it couldn't manage to close above EMA, so that's a clue. Bar 19 weak attempt again by bulls, so again couldn't close above EMA. Bar 20 is another attempt by bulls to support the price around this area with the tail, but this is a weak close and again below EMA. So we now see that bulls are not able to hold the ground here. Okay, so we'll wait for a trap setup, which is what happened. Bar 21 poked above bar 20 high, and then basically poked below bar 20 low. That's where we get short, and we take a short trade below bar 20 with stop loss of 10 points risk, and then target of 30 points only. We'll get out at 30 points for the full position because there is a possibility of failure again somewhere around this area low, because bulls will try to make a second attempt. Okay, around EMA I'm a bit careful, okay, unless there have been two attempts made by bulls or bears in one direction, and they fail. So here you book your short position during bar 23, so you get 30 points and you're out. As expected, bar 23, 4 and 5 bulls try to push the prices up, couldn't go past EMA 26. Again, bears contained all the up move, but bar 27 tried to provide support around bar 23 high. So bulls still holding their ground. 28 pushed up, closed above EMA. We'll see what happens. 29, no follow through, failure. 30, another attempt by the bull to push the prices up, but 31 immediately a failure by the bears, and 32 you see a follow through for the bears. So this is a second attempt after EMA breakdown by the bulls, but both attempts failed. So now this is a good opportunity for short. So bar 33, you see a big attempt by the bulls to hold, and you are ready to go short. You see bar 34 weak attempt to go up, so you get short below bar 33 low, which is basically a trap, a short trade in the direction of the on an ongoing trend. So this is all based on the context. So you get short, the entry bar closes at its low, good, but it couldn't go distance. Bar 36 a weak for a decent follow through, closed bearish, but not did not cover much distance. 37 did pull up, but did not hit the stop loss. Bar 38, an attempt by the bulls to hold again, but a weak one, not able to get any strong closes and follow throughs. And that's where you see bar 38 is basically a strong bear bar, giving us the 30 point, as well as it basically made the target of Fibonacci extension, which is bar 1's range. This is 17366. You got entry, short entry was somewhere around 406, 17406, and this is around 40 points. So you get out here or 30 points, up to you. And then the remaining position you could continue for either this trend channel line target or 80 points or 100 points. So you took three trades, all three shots. First one 30 points full position, second one 30 points full position, and third one basically on an average you got 50 points. So around 100 points uh, were possible in first 30 minutes of trading using bar by bar analysis. Uh, that's it for today. Thank you.